Oh, wow. What's up, YouTube? So today I have a can of 3M General Trim. What is this? General Trim adhesive. And so you can see the headliner on this car is sagging down. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that with a can of 3M General Trim adhesive. I think this is about 28 bucks. I got one of these fancy things for $1 or $2 at Harbor Freight. So I'm gonna see if I can fix this headliner for $30. Pull this down so you can see the previous owner. They use these little tacks to hold the headliner up. So I'm just gonna pull that out. Don't sit on that. Don't sit on one of those. It wouldn't feel good. Oh man. All right, so the second can I got, I found some headliner adhesive. I found this can right here. I think I got 20 some bucks on here. So this is what I'll be using to fix that headliner now. Same thing on all 4 doors. Just peel off that leather stripping. Get that off of there. There's probably a more right way to do this. I like how they give the driver an O-shoot handle too. Like, you're the one driving. If the driver's holding on, you better watch out. Oh wow, look at that. It's really working. If this were some fancy project car, I'll probably buy a headliner, you know. You like that, huh? It's almost like a spider web spray. Look at that. It's just not holding up. I mean, I got plenty of glue up there. I've used over half the can. It's not holding up. I don't think it's good. No, I can't fix this for $20. This stuff is not working. You know, it could be operator error, but I feel like I'm not making progress here. I can't believe that handle's just those little clips. I mean, you could rip that right out if you really leaned into it. Yeah, that don't even want to stay up. I don't know, man. Man, I cannot call this a win. Does not look good. And it's irritating too because I bought that other can. I originally bought this can. It was broken. I bought it a while ago. And it's like I don't I can't return it because I don't remember where I got it from. So it's like that money's wasted too. So am I able to fix the headliner for $37? I think the $37 won this one. That headliner, the headliner beat me.